Hello everyone. Today I discuss about cookie. What is cookie? How to create a cookie? How to it works? Explain with example and difference between session and cookie. Then first, what is cookie? Why we used cookies? Cookie is often used to identify a user. Cookie is a small file that the server embeds on the user's computer. Each time the same computer requests a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. With PHP, you can both create and retrieve cookie values. Cookies are text files stored on the client computer and they are kept of use tracking purpose. PHP transparently supports HTTP cookies. There are 3 steps involved in identifying returning users. First one is server script sends a set of cookies to the browser. For example, name, age or any identification number, etc. Browser stores this information on local machine for future use. And last, when next time browser sends any request to web server, then it sends those cookies information to the server and server uses that information to identify the user. Whenever you want to create a cookie, cookie is created with the set cookie function. So syntax of set cookie function is set cookie, then pass parameters which is name, value, expire, path, domain and secure. Note that only the name parameter is required, all other parameters are optional. In name parameter, this sets the name of the cookie. Value, this sets the value of the named variable and is the content that you actually want to store. Expired, this specify a future time in seconds. Since 00 GMT on 1st January 1970. After this time, cookie will become inaccessible. If this parameter is not set, then cookie will automatically expire when the browser is closed. Path, this specifies the directories for which the cookie is valid. A single / character permits the cookie to be valid for all directories. Domain, this can be used to specify the domain name in very large domains and must contain at least 2 periods to be valid. All cookies are only valid for the host and domain which created them. Security, this can be set to 1 to specify that the cookie should only be sent by secure transmission using HTTPS, otherwise set to 0, which means cookie can be sent by regular HTTP. Let's see with the example how to create a cookie. Here I create one file in which there are 2 fields. First one is name and second one is password. On the press on login button, if username and password are matched, then give the simple welcome message to the user. So here I passed action to cookie2.php. In cookie2, I access name and password, then check if user equal to ABC and password equal to 1234. Then set cookie to the cookie username and move to header location cookie3.php. If username and passwords are not matched, then display wrong username or password. In cookie3 file, I just simple give the message welcome user. In user variable, I access cookie variable which is set at this place. Here user ABC is set in cookie. So I entered in username ABC and password 1234. Then got the message welcome ABC. Let's execute these files. First start Apache services, open browser, localhost, then after your directory cookie, first execute cookie1.php. Here I entered ABC and password 1234, pressed on login button, then I got the message welcome ABC. If I execute cookie1.php file, then give any other value. For example, I give XYZ and password 123, press on login button, and got the message wrong username or password. Now if I change here, username is Bhumi and password is 123, save this file, execute cookie1.php. I entered Bhumi and password 123, then give the message welcome Bhumi. Which username you set, those username is set into set cookie function, and password and username are matched, then give the message welcome to user. In this example, I show you how to set cookie name and how to retrieve cookie value. In our previous video, we already discussed about session. So now, what is the difference between session and cookie? Key difference between cookie and session. Cookies are client-side files that contain user information, while sessions are server-side files which contain user information. Cookie ends depending on the lifetime you set for it. Session ends when a user closes his or her browser. You don't need to start cookie as it is stored in your local machine. In PHP, before using $_session, you have to write session_start. The official maximum cookie size is 4 KB. While within a session, you can store as much data as you like. The only limits you can reach is the maximum memory a script can consume at one time, which is 128 MB. A cookie is not dependent on session, while a session is dependent on cookie. There is no function named unsetCookie, while session_destroy function is used to destroy all registered data or to unset this session. Thank you.